Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine and good at home. Be safe, everyone. As students, we have already started the new chapter and completed the last chapter. Okay, that is decimal. Okay, after decimal, we have today now means in the from the last class we have started the measurement chapter. We have started the measurement chapter. In measurement, I have explained you some of the things about the measurement, how we used to measure the things, how we used to write the things in measurement, and how we used to do the conversion, means how we used to convert. Okay, we are knowing that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, 1 liter is equals to 100 milliliter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So this still hit this we are already knowing. So now to students we are going to move further in this. Already the conversion one we have done, and some of the things related to this chapter we have already discussed in the last class. Today we are going to move further and we will see that what the next is there given in this chapter. So we are going to see that today we are going to do addition of measurement. Okay, in that measurement maybe it can be given in the measurement in will be given in length, measurement can be given in mass, and measurement can be given in the capacity. So it can be given in any form. Okay, so you just have to see that how we used to add the numbers when it is given in length, weight means the mass, or when the capacity of anything is given. Okay, we are already knowing the measuring unit of these all. Okay, and according to that only we used to measure that. Okay, so let's see. So yes student, what it is written, addition of metric measurement. Okay, means we are going to do the measurement, metric measurement, we are going to do the addition here. Okay, and in this addition, after doing the addition we are going to get the total or sum of the particular given number. It is just simple as the ordinary addition we used to do. In addition, what we used to do generally, we generally used to add two or three numbers or more than two or three numbers together to get the sum or the total of that number. The same thing is we are going to do, the same thing we are going to perform in this also. It's not like that in measurement there is something else or something different will be there. No, it is as same as the others we have done. It's just that in this we are going to learn something more. Okay, in learn something more here we have to write the units which we will mention upside of the numbers which are given. That will be either in length, that will be either in mass, or else it will be in capacity. Okay, according to that only the measurement unit we have to mention. Addition is not going to change at all. It is not like that addition will become subtraction and after written addition and we will start doing the subtraction in measurement. No, it's not like that. Okay, addition means just finding the total or the sum of any given particular number. See, we will move on with step by step, my dear. See, first the question example which is written, add 87 kgs and 457 grams and 12 kgs and 42 gram. You have to add it. The first step is arrange in kg and gram column. Means you have to make two columns, and in one column there will be written kg upside, and in one column there will be written gram upside. After that we have to write the numbers, the unit which are given in kg, that unit we will write in the column of kg. The units which are given in gram, that we will write in the unit of gram. As you can see, I am showing you, this is kg here written, this is here gram written. Just below that the unit, whatever the unit has been given in kg, that I have written, and just below gram the unit which is given in gram, that I have written. After writing this, if the sum of the gram obtained is 1000 or more, suppose it is given in 100 form, 1s, 10s and 100, in the gram it is given in 100 form. But if suppose when we are adding the numbers we are getting the answer in 1000 form. Okay, we convert the gram to kg. Okay, we will convert, like if we are getting, like here it is you are seeing, so that one will be converted into kg. Okay, it will go to the next unit, that will go in the kg unit. It will not like that it will be written like this. Okay, so it will go in the next unit and then we will add. That also I will show you. Like 7 plus 2 when you will add, and you will get 9. 5 plus 4 when you will add, again you will get 9, but 6 plus 4 when you will add, you will get 10. You will get 10. So here 10 we will not write. It is not like the column wise we are doing, then gram will become separate and kg will become separate. It's not nothing like this. Okay, we are just making two columns and we are writing this separate unit. It doesn't mean that the units are different. Okay, they in both the units we used to use to measure any mass, to measure any weight. Yes, so as you can see, it is written 10 now. So 0 will be written here, and this 1 which is written here, that will be taken carry in this. Okay, that 1 will be taken carry in this. Then again 7 plus 2 when you will do, okay, then what you will get? You will get 9. You will get 9. 9 plus 1 you will get 10. You will write 10 here. Okay, maybe the question is arising is why here 9 is written. 9 is written because that one which we are taking, which I have taken from gram to kg, which I have written upside here, that in this question has not been written right now. But I have what done from here only, I have transferred that one to kg column and there I have added. So it will become 10. So 10 means in 0 we will write again here and 1 we will take carry. Now 8 plus 1 is again 9 and plus 1 will be 10. Means you will get 100 kg and 99 gram. Okay, then you will write, like you can see downside what it is written. Therefore 99 kg and 1099 gram equals to 99 kg plus 1000 gram plus 99 gram. Okay, so that 1000 gram can be converted into kg and then that kg can be added in 99 kg and it will become 100 kg. Okay, and 100 kg and 99 gram. Okay, what it has done here, it has not done like this, and in the last they have added 1000 gram, and what I have done in the simplest form and there only I have added it. Okay, so you can do like this also, in both the ways. Okay, in both the ways you can do, but it will be easier if you will do the way I have explained this one. This is easy. Okay, downside one, if you will do, maybe you will forget to convert the gram into kg and then you will forget to add it or something wrong will happen. But here you will not going to get confused because it's just like the ordinary addition one. The same kind of question, one more example I am having with, like it is also addition. You have to add 87 kgs and 457 gram and 12 kgs and 642 gram. First step is every time it is written, and see what is the method 2. This is the same kind of questions, and the second method is given. Write kg and gram as decimal. How you will write kg and gram as decimal? How you will write? We have already done this kind of questions, conversion of, we have done this, how we used to use the decimal to change the number in means decimal, use the decimal to change in length, use the decimal to change in mass, use the decimal to change in capacity. This we have already, I have explained you, and we were doing exercise number 56 I think. Same process is there. So when we have converted this, then we have got 87.457 kg. Okay, 457 kg. Now again we have got 12.642 kgs. Okay, then we will add it. 7 plus 2 will be 9. 5 plus 4 will be 9. And 6 plus 4 will be 10. So 10 we will write only 0 here and 1 will be taken carry, which has been done here in this question. In the previous question it was not done. It was downside when we have converted it and separately we have done. But here it is simply we have taken the carry one to the kg column and then we have added it. So 7 plus 2 again it will be 9 and plus 1 will be 10. So 0 will be written down, which I have written here, and then again 1 will be carried to the next number. After that 8 plus 1 will be 9 and plus 1 which we have taken that leftover number, that leftover number will be added here, and 8 plus 9 plus 1 will be 10. So what you have got the answer as 100 kgs and 99 gram. In the same way, if it is given in kilometers, okay, and meters, suppose if it is given in kilometers and meters, so here also the same thing is there. You have to make two separate columns, one for kilometer, one for meter. After that, okay, after that you will write the numbers which are given in kilometers in kilometer column, and the numbers which are given in meter, that you will write in the meters column. After writing this, you just have to do the simple addition. Okay, now 7 plus 6 will be 13, so 3 will be written down and 1 will be taken carry. That one we will write to the next number. Now 9 plus 8 will be 17, and plus 1 will be 18. So 8 again you will write down and 1 will be taken carry. 0 plus 9 will be 9 and plus 1 will be 10. So here only 0 you write and 1 you take carry to the next column, means to the kilometers column. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So here we will write 12. Okay. Now 1 again will be carried. Now 4 plus 3 will be 7 and plus 1 will be 8. 1 will be 8. Okay, that is already here written. After this, what you will do, just see this, only this is the answer, my dear. Okay, this one is only the answer, okay, which we have got by adding this number. Okay, by adding these numbers we have got this answer. The answer will be 82 kilometers and 83 meters. Okay, here don't get confused that here it is written 0. It is not written 0 here, my dear. It is written 82 and then it is written this side 83 kilometers. It will be in kilometers and it will be in meters. So like this we used to calculate by adding the numbers. Okay, here again it is separately done. What it has been done, simply it has been added, and then from the meter column again the last 1000 means it has been separated. It has been separated, like downside you can see 81 kilometer it is written, and 1000 meter and 83 meters it is written, means it was written 1083 meters we have got. So 83, okay, is written separately and 1000 is written separately, and that 1000 is being converted to the kilometers, as we are already knowing that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So that 1000 meter is being taken, okay, and that has been converted to kilometers, and it will then after they have added here that 1000 meter in kilometers by converting it into the kilometer, and when 1 will be added in 81 it will become 82. The process is same. It's not like that the upside one we are doing that is different from the which is being solved downside. This one is little bit complicated for you. This one is little bit complicated, as when you will first you have to separate here. First you have to separate here and then you have to convert and then you have to add, like this you have to do. I think it's lengthy also. So simple, what we will do, the simple addition which we used to do, in the same way we will add the meter column, then we will add the kilometers column, and then we will get our answer. Simple way it is. In the same way, in this question also has been done, but here you can see there are 3 numbers given. So don't get confused that three numbers are given, then how we will add. Okay, you will add 2 numbers first and then the third digit we will add in this. Like in first we will make 2 columns, one for kilometers and one for meter. The numbers which are given in kilometers, that we will write in kilometer column. The numbers which are given in meter, that we will write in meter column. After writing all this, we will start adding the numbers. See, meter, like 5 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12 and plus 5 is 17. 7 we will write down and 1 we will take carry. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 7 is 17 and plus 1 is 18. Here the carry number is not written upside, but you will leave one line to write the numbers which are left over. Okay, so that you can add up in the next number, that one. So again here you will get 8 you will write and 1 you will take carry. Now 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 you will get 5. Now this meter column is already over. This meter column is already over. Now we will move to the kilometers column. 9 plus 2 is 11 and 11 plus 4 is 15. So 5 will be written down and 1 will be taken carry, means that 1 will be taken to the next number, okay, that leftover number. Now 8 plus 6 will be 14 and plus 4 will be 18 and plus 1 will be 19. So 9 will be written down and again 1 will be taken carry. Now 1 plus nothing is given, only 1 is left over. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So what the answer you have got? 295 kilometers and 587 meters. In the same way, you can see, find the sum of 17 meter and 36 kilometers, 36 centimeter and 9 meter and 5 centimeter and 15 meter and 26 centimeter. Okay, it's given in meter, means the lengths are given meter and centimeter. So what you will do, you will again make the columns like separately meter column and separately centimeter column. After that, you will leave one line where you will write the numbers which you will take, okay, which is left over, that you will have to add in the next one. That for that you will leave one line. After that, we can start doing the process of addition. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So 7 we will write down and 1 again we will take carry. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 we will write down. Okay, so it will be 67. Now again, 9 plus 7 will be 16 and plus 5 will be 21. So 21 is again 2-digit number. So 1 you will write down, whereas 2 we will take carry to the next number. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 and plus 2 is 4. So what the answer you have got? We have got 41 meter and 67 centimeter. In the same way, this question also you can do. This is also given in meter and centimeter. Meter you will write in the numbers which are given in meter, you will write in meter column. The numbers which are given in centimeter, you will write in centimeter column. Upside you can see here the space is left. Here the space we have left, so that we can write the numbers which we are going to take carry to the next number. Now 6 plus 9 is 15. Okay. Then 5 will be written down and 1 we will take carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 will be written down and 1 we will take carry. Okay. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 9. So 9 you will write down and nothing is left over. No carry. Now 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7 will be written down and 1 we will take carry. 6 plus 1 is 7. So you will get the answer as 779 meter and 5 centimeter. This is the final answer which we have got after doing the addition of this number. Now this one is given in liter and milliliter. So if it is given in liter and milliliter, the same thing is there. You have to make one column for liter, one column for milliliter. Then write the number, put down the numbers accordingly. Okay, the numbers which are given in milliliter, that will be kept in the milliliter column. Numbers which are in liter, that will be written in liters column. We will add it. Now, you just see 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 will be written down and 1 will take carry. Here the carry number is not written, but I have written there. You can see 7 plus 1 is 8. No carry is there. 8 will be written. Now 8 plus 2 is again 10. So 0 will be written down and 1 will take carry. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 and plus 1 is 3. So the answer which you will get after doing the addition of these two numbers, you will get 30 liters and 840 milliliters. In this one also you can see it is given in liter and milliliter. Okay. Here what is it is happening? It is given in decimal form. Okay, it is given in decimal form. So it doesn't matter it is given in decimal form or what. We just have to add the numbers as we used to do. We do nothing change or nothing will be required. Only according to the number of according to the number we have to see that after how many numbers the decimal is given, and in the same way we have to give the decimal in the answer. So 7 plus 6 will be 13, 3 will be written down and 1 we will take carry, which I have written up. 8 plus 4 will be 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 we will write down and 1 we will take carry. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 will be written down and 1 we will take carry. 3 plus 7 is 10 and plus 1 is 11. So 1 we will write down and again 1 we will take carry. 8 plus 3 is 11 and plus 1 is 12. So now no number is left over, so that 12 we will write as it is. So what the answer we have got after adding these two numbers, we have got 121 liters and 33 milliliters. Okay, that is all, my dear. I hope you all have understood very nicely. It's simple addition. Okay, so I don't think that you will face any problem. Only the numbers are of unit, only the unit is changed. Okay, maybe it is given in meter centimeter, maybe it is given in kg gram, or maybe it is given in liter milliliter or meter kilometer. It doesn't matter. In all the cases addition means addition. Either it is given in decimal form also, you have to just add it. There is no change. Okay, there is no change. So I think you all have understood. I hope you will go through the video and watch it very nicely, so that if any doubt or problem will be there, you can come with that in the classes and then we will solve together. That is all. Thank you everyone.